Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question, it is given that a pendulum is suspended from the roof of a railroad car, and it is told that the car is moving on a circular track. Then we have to tell the position of the pendulum wheel. So let this is our circular track, and there is a car which is moving on the circular track. So this is our car which is moving in the circular track, and there is a pendulum suspended in this truck. So I am going to draw this diagram. So this is our car, and there is a pendulum on this. So let this is our pendulum which is suspended. As we can see that there is a centripetal acceleration acting towards this car. Let this is given by AC, and this car is moving on this circular track. So we can say that on this block I am going to show the forces that is acting. So weight of this block is acting vertically downward, that is mg, and there is a tension force in this string that is given by T. Now there this frame is accelerated frame, and we can say that accelerated frames are non-inertial frame, and Newton's law are not valid on this case. So we can say that there is pseudo force acting on the system, and the value of pseudo force is given by, that is F is equals to mass into acceleration, and this is opposite to the motion. So this is F is equals to minus of ma, and this acceleration is the acceleration of the frame, that is accelerated frame. So we can say that this is the our pendulum, and as on this pendulum there is a pseudo force acting opposite to the acceleration, that is in this direction, and this force is equals to mass into the centripetal acceleration. That, and due to the force, this pendulum will go away from the center, and the new position of the pendulum is like this due to this force. So we can say that now the pendulum will reach here with an angle that is making theta, and it will come at equilibrium. So now on this there is a force acting, that is mg. One is the tension force T, and there is a this force is known as centrifugal force, and the component of this tension force, this is T sine theta, and this is equals to T cos theta. Now the pendulum is in equilibrium, so we can say that T cos theta is equals to mg, and this T sine theta balances this centrifugal or pseudo force, that is mac. So we can say that due to this pseudo force, the pendulum inclines away from the center of the path, and this is our answer for this given question. So we can say for that option D is the correct choice. Thank you.